Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are making large batch of chin chin. So in here I've already weighed out my flour. I will leave the recipe in the description box so you can go check it out. As I was saying, I've already weighed my flour and I am weighing out the rest of the dry ingredients. So I am done weighing out all the dry ingredients and I will go ahead and mix it very well before I introduce the rest of the ingredients. I am now adding in my butter into the dry ingredient. Now I will go ahead and massage the butter into the flour until it is well incorporated. I am done massaging the butter, then I will go ahead and add my eggs and I will massage them as well the way I did with the eggs. The butter I mean. So guys, if you are enjoying watching this video and if you find any of my videos helpful, please do support my channel by subscribing, commenting, liking and sharing my videos. So let's continue. Now that I am done massaging the egg, I will go ahead and slowly add water bit by bit and kneading it into a dough. While you are adding your water, be careful not to add too much so that the chin chin dough doesn't become too sticky. So guys, if you want, you can substitute the water with milk. You can use powdered pig milk and mix it with little water and mix your dough with it, or you can use that Hollandia milk that comes in a pack. So continue kneading your flour while you add your water bit by bit. Guys, this part is the hard part. This is really hard work, honestly. Like, if you have a mixer, use it, because doing this with your hands are going to hurt you so much. I had to bring it down to be able to knead it properly, as you can see. At this point, I will add my coconut flavor in it and continue kneading it. Now I'm going to flour my working surface and I will divide the dough into two. That way I can knead it very well. As you can see, the dough is sticky, so you have to put enough flour and knead. Make sure you knead it very well. The reason why you don't see me knead it very well is because I am holding my tripod with one hand. But when you are making your own, make sure you knead it very well. I am done with the first one, so I'm now going to bring the other half and knead it as well. So guys, as you can see, I have finished kneading my chin chin dough, and I will just let it sit and rest before I start rolling it. So you can roll it with your rolling pin on your working surface, or you can just use that chin chin cutter and roll it and cut your chin chin. It's actually easier than this one, but if you don't have a chin chin cutter, then you can do it the way I am doing mine. So I am using a pizza cutter because it's easier to cut my chin chin. You can cut your chin chin into different shapes you want. So I have cut like half of the dough. I will do the rest off camera, and now I'll go ahead and fry the half that I have cut. As you can see guys, our chin chin is ready. I don't really like my own to turn brown. I like it this way. So I got a 16-liter bucket, and I also got half of 5-liter bucket from this recipe. So that is basically it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.